she comes. Every Saturday night she goes to town, and her friends don't let her down. She often comes here for the honky-tonk atmosphere. Blue jeans, American flag, and Jesus whiskey in one hand, and a note to our land. She talks all night about Tennessee because she really knows me. When she steps around the room, all the guys wanna take a chance for a little romance. Yeah, she's like the wind blowing in, the wind blowing in. They used to call her little girl, no longer. Yeah, she's now so much stronger. Like her mom, she's too smart to have a broken heart. Her daddy's a redneck crazy, but he loves his little baby. Even when she was so young, she knew how to handle a gun. When she stepped around the room, all the guys wanna take a chance for a little romance. Yeah, she's like the wind blowing in, the wind blowing in. She takes a 50s pickup truck for a run. It's real freedom under the desert sun. Parties down at the river at night, under the cool Texas moonlight. Sometimes she wears boots with a dress,